Speaking. 3 point.
No, minus or plus. Okay, your number is 17. Then take a pen and put minus or plus.
Kısaca ben yapmayayım bana.
Burada aslında renkli koyabilirsin. 17. İstediğin neydi? Geç olasında 23. Okay, take the pen and put minus or plus before this one. Before each, put minus or plus. Bunların qarşısında ya hansını renkli, ya minus koy, ya plus koy. Bax, xətlərini qabağına. Fərqi yoxdur, ya bura plus koy, ya bura plus koy. Fərqi yoxdur, ya bunun qabağına, ya bunun qabağına. Nasıl olsun? Və rəqəmin 19. Orada, Laçın, gəl. Nuray. 17. Çox qoyulanlara qoymayın, tek olanların qabağına da qoyun. Olsun. Rəqəmin 16. Şimdi gel. Olmayan qabağına. Neçə oldu? 20.
Let's go.
Comparing life now and in the past. In the past, people wrote letters and it was so difficult and slow. If you want to talk with someone, you have to get, it was very, you wait for many weeks. And nowadays we have smartphones and internet, and we can send message and make video calls, and it's very easy to connect with someone. In the past, traveling was very difficult. People used old trains and horses for traveling, but nowadays we have fast cars, planes, and nowadays we can easily to travel other countries just in any hours. So in the past, if you want to get some information, you must go to the library and to look for books and read all this then. But nowadays it's very easy. You can search any information at Google or YouTube, and we can do all this on our smartphones. In the past, home life was very difficult and different. People washed their clothes by their hand, but nowadays we have washing machines, and all these technologies make our life very easy.
Okay, very good, nice, perfect. 3 points. I see your total point is 10. Congratulations.
Expressing congratulation and good wishes. Giving congratulation is important. People share happiness others. People say well done, and people giving congratulations on birthdays, wedding, win university, and yes. These words make people happy. Happy birthday is popular congratulations. People say best wishes too. They are formal expressions too. People speak politely. They wish success to others. Nice words make people happy.
Okay. Günay, please.
Scribe celebration.
Scribe celebrations. Begin.
I like celebration very much. My family and I decorate the house. My mother cooks delicious food and makes a big cake. We eat cake and delicious food. I get many nice gifts. Everyone is very happy and we have a lot of fun together.
Is that all?
Yes.
Very little. Your speaking is very little. Can please introduce your speaking topic.
Describe things you do at the airport. Going to the airport is an exciting experience where you arrive unique to know how to describe things you do at the airport, such as checking in and passing through security. It is also helpful to understand separable phrasal verbs to talk about your actions. Like packing of a trip or pitching or your bag. Sometimes travel plans can be uncertain if you are not sure about your flight time or hotel. You can say that your plans are still up in the air.
Discussing things used to be in the past. Life in the past was different. People lived in small houses and neighbors helped each other. Everyone spent more time with their families. Environment isn't noisy. People grew their own foods and they baked bread at home. Communication was slow. People wrote letters and waited in many days or months for reply. People read books and life was quiet. People were close to each other.
Okay, Fatima, which one do you like? Do you prefer?
I prefer now.
Now, present,
Yes.
alive.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Three.
Sağ olun.
The name of your speaking topic?
My speaking topics names describe celebrations.
Describing celebrations, please.
Celebrations are happy and special events. People celebrate birthday, weddings, and holiday. Families and friends usually come together. They eat delicious food and enjoy music. Many people wear beautiful clothes during celebrations. Some celebrations include dancing and games. Holidays like Nowruz are very popular in Azerbaijan. Celebrations help people and feel happy and connected. They create wonderful memories for everyone.
Is that all? Is that all? Yes. Okay, sit down. 3 points.
My main topic is discussing how things used to be in the past. Okay, in the past, people lived very differently. Families more time together, spend more time together at home. Children used to play the national games outside. There were less pollution and cars outside, and the people often communicate through letters. Technology was not as advanced as today. Children or people used to books for information more than computers, and students and lives was harder, but in some ways it's very simple. They also said pastimes amazing. But I love in at present.
I love present life. Okay.
Life now and in the past. Life was different in the past. People were calmer and happier. They spent time more together. Now technology makes life easier. But people are busy today. In the past, communication was face to face. I sometimes have good sides. Also, children play outside more in the past. Nowadays, many people prefer spending time on the internet.
That's all?
My subject is discussing career choice because of the paperwork.
Okay. Please introduce your topic.
Things used to be in the past. Life was very different from today. People used to live in smaller communities and everyone knew each other. And children used to play outside every day instead of staying at home. Transportation also used to be slower. Also, there were no smartphones, internet, social media. Children didn't spend their time with computer and computer games. Families often spend evenings together. Life in the past was quieter, but it was also more difficult.
Okay, 3 points. Congratulations.
He is talking about career planning. In my opinion, everyone should get a job for their financial freedom. Financial freedom. If you get degrees and attending university, study hard, you can get a good job. And you also can work at the part-time jobs for improving your career, because all that jobs show up at your CV. But it's so important that you not choose your job for its salary, because you might work at this job for more years, and it will be boring for you if you choose this job for its salary. That's why you should choose your job not only for its salary, but also which jobs can you enjoy.
Okay.
Vocabulary. 3 point. Here we go.
You must answer vocabulary. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, now let's go on. I'll ask you how many words? 20 words. Electricity.
Electricity, flow of energy used to be power.
Used as power. Yes. Yeah, write down plus. Pride.
A group of lines.
Plus. Set of.
Strategy,
Yes. Challenging.
difficult.
Yes. Trade. Trade.
Buying and selling.
Yes. Publish.
Print and sell.
Opportunity.
Chance.
Yes. Silk.
A very soft quality material.
UNESCO.
United Nations Educational Scientific
And cultural.
Cultural Organization.
Yes. Network.
A group formed from parts that are connected together.
BC. BC.
Before year,
Era.
the year of birth of Jesus.
Jesus Christ. Yes. This.
The possibility of something bad happening.
Nomadic.
Moving from place to place.
Tribe. Tribe.
Tribe, people with the same language, culture.
Customs. Yes. Variant. Variant.
People who fight. Person who fights is known for have courage and skills.
Departure.
Departure, leaving a place at a particular time.
Destination.
The place you travel.
Book a flight.
Book flight. You can find a hotel. You book flight. You can buy ticket.
Yes, a plane ticket. Yes. Plus. Citizen. You correct your mistakes. That's why I say you write plus. Citizen.
Citizen.
Yes. Minus. Portrait.
A photograph of someone posing.
How many words?
Bir ders yap.
Only 20 words, yes? You have got only one mistake. Then your mark is 3 points. First word is eat.
Eat something warm and hot.
Warm or
Become
hot?
warm
Become warm or
and
hot.
hot.
Yes. Plus. Collectively.
For a group of people doing something together. Work together.
Yes. Crash.
No?
Crash. Crash. No. Minus. To go down very suddenly and quickly. Settle.
A set of start journey.
Yes. Start the journey. Plus. Publish.
Publish, print and sell.
Yes. Plus. You have got one mistake. Yes. Silk.
A silk and very soft clothes material.
Yes. UNESCO.
UNESCO United States
United Nations.
Nations Organization.
Now, educational, scientific, and cultural organization. Minus. I'm sorry, you have got two mistakes. Network.
A network socialized
A group from parts that
meets
are connected together. Minus. Nomadic.
nomadic people live here and
Move from.
move place to place.
Yes, from place to place. Plus. Tribe.
Neta,
Tribe.
tribe.
Minus. Departure. Departure. Living.
Living in particular place.
A place at a particular time.
Time.
Okay, plus destination.
This place you want to go.
Yes, you travel to. Plus how many words?
12.
12. Yes, you have left 8 words. Complete, please. If you do voluntary work,
You don't get paid for a job.
yes, plus in a training program,
Training, you learn job.
you learn how to do something.
do something.
Minus, I'm sorry. Assistant.
Help.
Yes, yes. Portrait.
Portrait. Photograph.
Photograph of
Or something.
someone posing. Yes. Conservation.
Protection.
Protection. Yes. Especially
Nature.
of nature. Yes. How many words?
7.
7 words have left.
Three.
3 words. Yes. Well now,
Well, now popular.
popular or
Famous.
famous. Yes. Festival.
Time people
Type of
celebration.
celebration. Yes. And one more word. Only one word. Cage.
Age.
Kefes.
Cage. We keep their animals or birds. Yes. Please, how many mistakes?
5 mistakes.
5 mistakes. From the unit 11. Try. Try. People's skills, ability. Okay, minus. Valuable.
Valuable, very
Very important.
Animals or
Birds, yes. Please, how many mistakes?
5 mistakes.
5 mistakes. From the unit 11. Try. Try. People's skills, ability. Okay, minus. Valuable.
Valuable, very
Mhm.
değerli.
Very important.
Important, yes.
Significant. Okay, plus. Technical skills.
Technical skills.
Knowledge. Okay, now unit 10. Ambitious.
Ambitious to be very successful makes
In doing something.
a difficult way.
Very difficult, yes. Ancient.
Ancient, very old.
But another word from a very long time ago. Swap.
Swap.
Swap.
Try.
Trade, yes. Trustworthy.
Trustworthy. Only true words.
Yes. To their word. Crafts.
Crafts made of by hand.
Goods made by hand, yes. Obstacle.
Obstacle, difficulty.
Difficulty, yes. Miss.
What?
Miss.
Miss.
In Azerbaijani misafir. Mif.
Okay. It's a long ancient story, and that's not necessarily true.
Yes, very good. Focus.
Focused.
On thing.
Think about.
About. Okay. Accompany.
A company. To be people. No.
Bilmem, minus. Refuse.
Say no.
Participate.
Participate. Take part.
Portrait.
Portrait, photograph, and also each other posing.
Poesy. Of someone, poesy, yes. Conservation.
Conversation.
Conversation, Johan. Conservation.
Conservation. Peki, and the organization about pollination.
Conservation. Protection.
Protection.
Especially of nature and third minus. Dozen.
What?
Dozen.
A group of 12.
12, yes. Species.
Species, category, and
A group of living things. Category. 5, yes. How many words have you read? Only 2 words. Then stimulate.
And stimulate, makes someone interest or excited.
About something, yes. And the last word is pride.
Pride, a group of words.
Please count how many mistakes have you got?
4.
4. And your total? From 20 words, you have got 4 mistakes.
20 dersinde felsefe.
Technical skills.
Technical skills.
Knowledge. Minus. Knowledge of STEM and coding.
11 dediyse
11, yes, from 11 and 12.
Bir tane technical
Taste.
skills. Bir de gömelim yazayım.
Taste.
Taste dislikes or dislikes.
Then obstacle.
Obstacle, a difficulty.
Yes, difficulty. Means
It's a famous story, but not necessarily
an ancient story, but isn't
isn't necessarily true.
true. Yes. Plus, road
Bir dakika, ben bunu yazdım.
means road.
Rope, long, thick, streak,
Strong.
strong,
Don't whisper.
Yo, ben başa düşmürəm olsun dediğim beni. O sözü bir uzun söylemeyi
Aha.
bilmedim ben.
Okay,
Rock
mine.
dediniz yoksa
Road.
oku.
R-O-P-E. Then festival.
A celebration day
Is
is a type of
celebration. Yes. Plus. How many words?
16,
No.
16.
How many words are there? Nesin söz var orada?
Pardon mı? 16 tane, 6 tane.
6. You have yet 4 words. Because you have already spoken 2 units. 4 words. Roots.
Ne?
Root.
Root'u indi demek ismi. Root'u indi demek.
Yo. Or root. Root. Root.
Where with someone or
Now, where something comes from its origin.
it's
Minus, I'm sorry. Refuse.
say no.
No,
to
to somebody or something, yeah. And last word.
Bir de görmedim. 18 is 8.
Participate.
Take part in.
Yes. Have you finished?
One,
Only one word. Crowd.
a large people, a large group of people.
Groups for an employer.
Employer.
Fatima, please complete the sentence. If you do voluntary work,
You don't get paid.
in a training program,
You learn to do something.
how to do something, yes. An assistant,
Helps you.
if you are the owner of a company,
It means that it's your own company.
adapt,
That change is a way to do so and for a new situation.
stand out,
Stand out.
be noticed,
Be noticed for something.
and better than others, minus. Portrait,
Portrait, photograph or painting anyone's post.
posing.
Process.
Holiday,
Internet.
holiday.
The activity when people want to go to work.
Happening once each year.
Annual.
Yes. Celebrate.
Do something enjoyable for a special day.
Say no to something.
Refuse.
How many words?
You know.
Okay. Focus.
Neyse.
Focus.
Focus on think about.
Parasol. Хорошо.
A kind of umbrella to protect from the
Yes, to protect you from the sun. Sun. A company.
go or
Be
someone or
with
be
someone. Yes. Refuse. Dememiştim onu.
Say to say no to
To.
something.
Yes.
Ben bir de geldim. Ben
Participate.
take part in.
A large group of people. Crowd. Yes. A day when people don't work. A day when people don't work. Yes. Well known. Well known.
Famous.
How many words?
11 tane.
Okay. Okay. Protection, especially of nature.
Conservation.
Hı-hı.
Evet.
Think outside the box. Think outside the box.
Bir dakika, look for creative solution. Bir de ki the imaginatively. Ben workbook'ta da onu yazmışlar. Look for.
Okay, okay. Stand out.
Stand out, we notice as big.
Noticed.
Biz
Noticed.
notice as big as others.
And better than others. Yes. And assistant
Assistant helps.
helps you and complete the sentence. If you do volunteer work, tamamla cümleni. If you do volunteer work,
Work, you don't get paid.
yes. Plus, in a training program,
In a training program,
you learn,
you learn how to do something.
yes.
Exercise. Exercise. Two point.
My sentence, the visitors watched the baby rhino quietly to help the animals. Who watched the baby rhino quietly to help the animals? What did the visitors watch quietly? What were the visitors doing? Why did visitors watch the baby rhino quietly? Special sentence.
Special question.
The visitors watched the baby rhino quietly to help the animals. Didn't they? Disjunctive. Alternative. Did the visitors watch the rhino quietly, help the animals, or take photo? Did the visitors watch the baby rhino quietly to help the animals? But general. Which visitors watch the baby rhino quietly?
Which visitors, you needn't ask this question because your subject is visitors only. Article, which visitors lazım değil. Then?
Which watched the baby rhino quietly?
No, this is wrong.
Bu visitors yazmışlar. Hemen cümle istedim. Devamını getirin. Bir sefr.
Bir second. Okay, here are one mistakes. That's slide 138. Finish your sentence.
General question yazmışım ki people also celebrate New Year in an existing way.
In no exciting way.
Exciting way in China.
Yes.
Special question yazmışım. Do people also celebrate New Year in an exciting way in China? Where do people also celebrate New Year in an exciting way? How do people celebrate New Year in China? What do people celebrate in an exciting way in China? Sonra kaç question yazmışım ki People also celebrate New Year in an exciting way in China, don't they? Alternative yazmışam ki, do people celebrate New Year in an exciting way in China? Or? I
Mistake. Have you got any questions? Have you got any questions? Var yine soru.
Hayır.
No. You have got one mistake. Okay, Sinan.
Okay, my sentence is hundreds of people look at 85,000 images to help me find this transform. Okay, special questions are who looked at 85,000 images? What did hundreds of people look at? Why did they look at 85,000 images?
Why? Read once more. Why?
Why did
Hundreds of people
did they look at 85 images?
thousand images. Yes.
Whose tombs were they trying to find? How many images did they look at?
How many
images
did
they
hundreds of people say? Yes. They look at.
General questions are: did hundreds of people look at 85,000 images? Were they trying to help Lynn?
What?
Were they trying?
No. This is wrong. Why you use to be? Your verb is used. You must use
Did or
auxiliary verb did. Yes.
yes.
Did
they find Genghis home?
And please ask a question to help Lin find Genghis Khan's home. To help nature. Your sentence, please, and you will give all types of questions.
My sentence is: pregnant women continue to celebrate baby showers even over the years. The first sentence, general question: did pregnant women continue to celebrate baby shower event over the years? The second, who continued to celebrate baby shower event over the years? What did pregnant women continue to celebrate over the years? What did pregnant women do over the years? How long did pregnant women continue to celebrate baby shower event? Alternative question, did pregnant women or teenage girls continue to celebrate baby shower event? Disjunctive question, pregnant women continued to celebrate baby shower event over the years? Didn't say.
Okay, thank you. Jamila, your sentence.
General questions.
No, first read your sentence.
Takes his photos outdoors. General questions. Does the photographer take his photos outdoors? Special questions. Who takes his photos outdoors? What does the photographer take outdoors? Where does the photographer take his photos? Alternative questions. Does the photographer take his photos outdoors or indoors? Disjunctive questions. The photographer take his photos outdoors, doesn't he?
Okay, thank you.